If you've been seeing ads for Modecas London and wondering whether it's actually worth your money, here's what I found. At first glance, the website looks pretty convincing. It offers trendy clothing for men and women, big discounts, free shipping, and claims to have hassle-free 30-day returns. On paper, it sounds like a great deal. But once I looked beyond the website, I started seeing a different picture. A growing number of customer reviews report issues like products looking nothing like the advertised photos, long shipping times, difficult return processes, and in some cases, customers being asked to return items to China at their own expense, even though the company presents itself as being London-based. Now, to be fair, the website itself doesn't show obvious signs of being unsafe, and some automated website checkers rate it as technically legitimate. However, technical safety isn't the same thing as a good shopping experience. So, is Modecas London worth your money? Based on the customer feedback available in 2026, I'd recommend being very cautious. If you do decide to order, use a payment method that offers strong buyer protection just in case.